back to the channel, guys. So opposition leader Portia Simpson-Miller has sought to address her unfortunate statements that were made at the PNP rally in Claremont, St. Anne sometime last week. I mean, the comments have sparked discussions. They were condemned in some areas. Some people had no problem with it. Some people think it was distasteful, like myself. I think the platform was not for that purpose and should not have been used for that purpose. And Ms. Simpson-Miller had overstepped her boundaries, not only as the leader of the opposition, but also former Prime Minister and as Mama P. I mean, a woman who many Jamaicans look up to and admire and respect and love. You understand what I say? The statement was released last night, I think, and one print media outlet says, reads, I did not intend to convey a threat. Simpson-Miller on comments at PNP meeting. Interesting. People National Party President Portia Simpson-Miller has come out to clarify controversial comments, controversial indeed, she made at a public meeting in St. Anne, also to apologize for her words. I regret any discomfort my comments have caused, says Simpson-Miller, who explains that her words and emotions have led to various interpretations, can I tell you, and misinterpretations, I'm sure, of what was said and what her intent was, which it is very clear to me. I don't know how other persons see it, but her intent seemed very clear to me. I am not sure these statements could have been misinterpreted. They were clear. The clarity was clear. It says here, on Wednesday, November 16, 2016, I addressed a public meeting of the People's National Party in Claremont, St. Anne. Portions of my address was widely reported in the media. You're surprised? I love and respect my party, its members, and the people of Jamaica. I have listened to the media reports and heard the public feedback, and I believe it is critical that I speak on this matter. Took you a while though. I suppose better late than never. My words and emotions have led to various interpretations and indeed misinterpretations of what was said and my intent. Let me make it clear that I did not intend to convey a threat or intimidation of anyone. I also did not encourage my supporters to carry out any actions in breach of our political code of conduct or my own long-held principles. Interesting. The notion that I threatened anyone would not be consistent with my own actions. At the same meeting, when I told supporters who were chanting "Lisa must go," that I would not tolerate any disrespect of the Member of Parliament. All Jamaicans are entitled to participate in the political process without any fear or harm. I regret any discomfort my comments have caused. So that is what she said. Does it make a difference? At this point in time, I don't think so. Should it have been done earlier? I think so. It's very unfortunate. Spoken words, you see, we can never take them back. We can apologize from now till tomorrow. We need to be careful, especially when we are considered to be somebody who is looked upon and admired and respect and one of the leaders of the country. We cannot at no point in time make statements as unfortunate and potentially influential as these. You understand what I say? In Jamaica, people are easily led and easily swayed, and these words could have had far-reaching implications, you know, because some persons could have decided, say, hey, I'm on my piece of say, you know, so we'll defend our honor. You understand what I say? As simple as I take it. So I say, yo, peeps, if we are elected and selected to represent the people, we need to represent the people in the best way possible. Yes, we are humans and we make mistakes and we err in judgment, but this is not Miss Simpson-Miller first situation where she would have made unfortunate utterances and comments and have to take her foot out her mouth. You understand what I say? So, and being a career politician, being in this thing for so long, she should have been experienced enough to have handled that situation with a little bit more tact and dignity. You understand what I say? We just do it because she released it and I've been following the situation. It doesn't mean much to me really. I don't know how much it will mean to the country at large and persons who had an issue with the statement. So it is what it is. This is Steve saying. Make we check it before we say it, man. I'm out. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.